Ever hail a Grab and see a scary red message pop up saying you've hit your spending limit? You're not alone. This cryptic notification has left many Grab users scratching their heads, wondering what exactly this limit is and how to avoid getting stranded. Well, fret no more, fellow riders. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Grab and uncovering the truth behind the dreaded 30,000 limit. Buckle up, because this video is about to save you from future frustration and awkward goodbyes at your drop-off point. Hold on, there's a spending limit on Grab. For many, the idea of a spending limit on Grab might come as a surprise. After all, it's an app designed for convenience, right? Shouldn't we be able to hail a ride whenever we need one? Well, the answer isn't quite that simple. There are actually two main reasons why Grab might implement a spending limit on your account. Payment method restrictions. Many payment methods, like debit cards or linked bank accounts, might have their own spending limits set by your bank. This limit has nothing to do with Grab itself, but rather with your bank's policies. So, the 30,000 notification you see might simply be a reflection of your bank's restrictions. Grab Pay limits. This is where things get a little more interesting. Grab has its own built-in payment system called Grab Pay. Now, Grab Pay itself doesn't have a hard spending limit of 30,000. However, there are different tiers within Grab Pay, each with its own set of limitations. The tiers of Grab Pay, unlocking your spending power. Imagine Grab Pay as a ladder. The higher you climb, the more features and benefits you unlock, including higher spending limits. Here's a breakdown of the different tiers. Unverified account. This is the basic level. Your account isn't linked to any identification documents, which means you'll have a lower spending limit. Verified account. Simply linking your ID to your Grab Pay account bumps you up a tier and increases your spending limit. Mobile wallet verification. Taking things a step further, verifying your mobile wallet, like linking your Touch In Go e-wallet, unlocks an even higher spending limit. So, what's the deal with the 30,000 limit? Now, we can finally address the elephant in the room. The 30,000 limit you see most likely applies to users with unverified accounts or those in the lower tiers of Grab Pay. It's essentially Grab's way of managing potential risks associated with unverified accounts. Breaking free from the limit. How to level up your Grab Pay. The good news is, there's a simple solution. Here's how to climb the Grab Pay ladder and say goodbye to the dreaded 30,000 limit. Verify your Grab account. This is the easiest step. Head over to your Grab app settings and find the verification section. Follow the prompts to link your government-issued ID. Verify your mobile wallet. If you use a mobile wallet like Touch In Go or another e-wallet linked to your Grab account, verify it as well within the Grab app for an additional spending boost. Bonus tip: consider upgrading to Grab Pay Wallet. For the ultimate convenience and even higher spending limits, consider upgrading your Grab Pay account to a Grab Pay Wallet. This involves additional verification steps, but it unlocks features like peer-to-peer transfers and even higher spending limits for rides and other Grab services. The takeaway: knowledge is power, especially when it comes to ride-hailing. By understanding the different tiers of Grab Pay and the reasons behind spending limits, you can avoid getting caught off guard and ensure a smooth ride-hailing experience. Remember, a few minutes spent verifying your account can save you a lot of frustration down the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and convenient travels.